Firstly, everyone, my name is Rinzin Churun and I am the National Director at Students for a Free Tibet India. With this video message, I am reaching out to you all for your support in terms of helping out those Tibetans in need in the exiled community in India. With the rising number of coronavirus cases in India, especially in the Tibetan community, it's high time that we all come together and stand strong in these difficult and challenging times. With roughly 300,000 cases being recorded on a daily basis, India right now is going through an unimaginable suffering and difficult times. At the same time, we are also witnessing our brave youth, volunteers, leaders, civil society groups, and health workers coming out and risking everything to help those in need. After being on the ground and discussing with fellow civil society groups and healthcare workers, we realized that the most urgent thing that is needed right now in the community is basic COVID family toolkit for every family with a positive COVID case. We believe that this COVID-19 home toolkit will provide them with much needed support to the family to monitor the patient's health with greater confidence and to help them know if and when to move to the hospital before the patient's health and oxygen level deteriorates too severely. And through this campaign, we are not only providing this equipment to the families, but also empowering them by educating our communities on the best practices to protect themselves and their family members. And most importantly, it will provide them with much needed relief in this time of uncertainty. In the first phase of the campaign, our target is to raise 500 COVID toolkits to the most vulnerable members in the community. We need $25,000 to make this happen. These toolkits will be distributed to the most vulnerable members of the community through SFT India volunteers, local groups, and civil society organizations on the ground. We all know the situation is very critical right now, but the worst may be yet to come. In the coming weeks and months, we need to prepare our families and our communities. Your generous donation will make a critical difference in this life and death situation in India right now, and it will also amplify the local efforts to save lives. 100% of all the funds raised by SFT will go directly to the COVID relief work in India. And please make sure to donate and check the link in order to make your donations. Thank you.